Hey Mom, this is for you. I know that you worry about me out here on my own, and like to know what I'm up to. And as you probably already know, I'm getting pretty high just about every single day, and today is no exception. I'm going to probably about 2,800 feet at Dog Mountain. And I thought I'd take you along for the trip. So, without further ado, let's take this hike on. Hey, so I'm at about 2,000 feet in elevation. Got about a mile to go to get to the summit. So far so good. It's been a grueling climb. At about 700 feet, the switchbacks pretty much stopped. As you climb the mountain, you zigzag, and each landing is a switchback. I've had 4 switchbacks since 700 feet, and the grade has been about, I say about 20 to 25% incline the whole way. So, needless to say, it's been a grueling climb to get to the summit, but once I get there, I know it's going to be worth it. I've seen the pictures, I've seen the video, and I'm really looking forward to it. So we'll see you then. Alright, so, not quite to the summit. Very close, about 500 feet. But I had to stop. And, well, for one, I swallowed a bug on my way. And, but this view is amazing. And I'm assuming it's only going to get better from here at the summit, but I had to share this. This is just phenomenal. I'm not sure, it's hard to tell from the camera as to whether or not you can see all the detail, but it is absolutely amazing. I can see all the valleys on the, I'm on the Washington side of the gorge, and the mountain view to the Portland side or to the Oregon side is absolutely amazing. It is absolutely amazing. So, and then when you reach the clearing, it clears out at about 500 feet to go. You run into this. Fields of flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Well worth the trip. Alright. Well, let's see what's at the top. Had to stop one more time before I reach the summit. Not sure if I'm going to have this view at the summit, and wanted to share it. Basically, over here, let's see if I can zoom in on it. I have a view, it's not a very good one in the camera here, of Mount St. Helens. This amazing view of the gorge. And peeking out over here, Mount Hood. Oh yeah, and then I've got all these beautiful flowers too. Endless sea of yellow. It's unreal. So close to the summit. Right there should be. Well, the view from the summit is pretty much the same as what I showed you earlier. So Didn't break out the camera then, and just kind of sat there for a little bit and enjoyed the view. And now I begin my descent, and I'm assuming it'll take me about an hour and a half. Not too bad. Plenty of sunlight left, so anyway, I just thought I would share, like I said, I would share my incredible adventure and view. And now it's time for goodbye. We'll see you later.